showing of pain in right hypochondrium and left side of abdomen, left hypochondrium. Patient is having alcoholic since 20-25 years, and this is the spleen, which is showing dilatation of the vessels inside the parenchyma due to portal hypertension. Spleen is measuring around 14 centimeter, and this is the splenic vein. It is not showing any thrombosis, only just intraparenchymal dilatation of the spleen is seen. And the rest we will see in this images, the findings. Liver was little bit enlarged and hypoechoic. Gallbladder was marginally thickened. Portal vein was showing 17 centimeter dilatation without any thrombosis. This is main portal vein. This is the color flow. In this, it could be artifact or the reversal of the flow in the portal vein. When I took this Doppler in transverse view, when we see the pancreas and the portal vein in the transverse view, not transverse but a little bit oblique. Normally the portal flow is from the portal vein towards the liver. So in this red color is showing that the flow is towards the probe, and here it is showing away from the probe. So little bit okay, just leave it. This is not important. It is just technical error, and I think this portal vein, it is showing forward flow. This is the main portal vein, and it is showing forward flow towards the liver. If there is significant portal hypertension, then you will see the reversal flow, because the resistance in the liver is more, so there is a reversal of the flow in the portal vein. Never seen till now this kind of case. Maybe might not have observed in my practice due to hurry and not taking interest, but still I had not seen this kind of case. The portal vein peak velocity is 20. This is portal vein at the pancreatic head. There is no any cavernous transformation of the portal vein, otherwise you will see some cystic areas over here, which are the collaterals. This is the right portal vein. These collaterals we see over here near the pancreatic head, like these tiny vessels. This is pancreatic head. The spleen was measuring around 14 centimeter. This is internal vascularity of the spleen. This is splenic vein, peak velocity inside the parenchyma. This is at the hilum, it is 10. This is splenic vein at hilum, diameter 10 mm. It is little bit enlarged. And this is spleen, perfect view for measuring the length. Associated finding was some ileal loops in right iliac fossa were thickened, and this descending colon was thickened. But patient was not having any complaint of GI complaint.